up, YouTube? Like, comment, subscribe. Look, I know I've been an entrepreneur for a while. That's cool. But guess what? I was doing little, I'm gonna say, the vending machine business. I found out a way to make a lot of money in the vending machine business. But I'm in my box truck right now and thinking, I went through like 40 machines. 40. You know how many trucks I could have had and had a fleet going on? It's like, oh, okay. Instead of because I started making up my own ways in the vending machine business. I'm gonna say that was wrong, because guess what? With this truck right now, I can get on about 5 apps right now. 5. And start making money. Versus going to look for machines and stuff. All I gotta do is have gas money. Bet.